On top with tori for today, unto education matter for Nigeria, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok say dem no go rest for im administration until dem deliver their promise give Naija pipo. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok for Zaria, Kaduna State, say make Naija pipo cool their mind as im administration don ready gidigba to deliver give dem all the promise wey dem make on top Ogbonge education, unto say dem no go rest till dem do all this one. Presido tok dis one wen im dey commission the Postgraduate Center of Excellence, the one wey Central Bank of Nigeria wey dem build for Ahmadu Bello University wey dey Zaria. E yarn say federal government don throway body put for investment for education of almost 1.3 trillion naira to see say education sector e dey very well for 4 years wey don waka pass. As dis money wey im dey tok so no join the other ones wey dem spend for overhead and personnel money. Buhari con salute Central Bank of Nigeria unto the center wey dem tanda put for Samaru campus wey dey the school. E tok say as dem build dis center so e don show say dem waka on top the idea and the plan wey the person wey start the school do. Dat na late Sir Ahmadu Bello wey be the Sultan of Sokoto and na im be the premier of northern part of Naija. E say the institution don dey for dat place for over 6 decades, the one wey we sabi as 60 years. Presido Muhammadu Buhari yarn say e don dey record say the university dey do ogbonge thing to fit add to the devil wey dey shele for the country. E con still tok on top the things wey dey make education waka well for universities wey dey Nigeria, dat na the one wey oyinbo dey call facilities. E tok say im administration don ready to continue to dey tanda correct education for all the levels wey dey the country. Presido tok say e clear well for eye say the facilities wey dey the university and other schools for Nigeria e no dey reach the number of students and stakeholders wey dey use am, as dem don ready gidigba to put better money put for all dis institution make education matter make for waka well for the country. E yarn give dem say im administration no dey use education take play, as every society wey wan develop and wey wan waka far must to put body well for education, and na education na im dey clear poverty matter comot for road for any country. Buhari con tok say when dem put better investment on top education matter for the country, e go help tanda innovation, dat na many ideas wey go make country develop waka go up, technology matter go waka well, as work matter go brekete and Naija economy go catapult well, make the life of the people wey dey the country make for better well. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am say on top education matter im administration no go rest until dem deliver all their promise give Naija pipo. And e tok dis one wen the commission center wey CBN tanda gidigba put for Ahmadu Bello University wey dey Zaria unto the plans wey im administration get for education for Nigeria. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba put for una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get dis correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.